Sustainability is on the lips of the restaurant industry, and Dubai is looking to local farms for a more secure future. Atlantis The Palm is one hotel committed to serving locally sourced ingredients at every restaurant. I caught up with Chef Raymond Wong to find out what's on the menu.
Chef Raymond, what are we shopping for today?
So today we're shopping for a salmon carpaccio, which we're going to be creating in our restaurant. We're going to have microgreens and we're going to have a cucumber jus, which is going to go along with it.
The fish farm in Jebel Ali is a marine breeding facility supporting the region's aquaculture industry to reduce its dependency on imported fish. A perfect place to buy salmon. Nearby Oasis Greens and Uns and Alcors are both hydroponic farms with a zero pesticide policy, using 90% less water than traditional farming. The hotel sources a selection of fresh, leafy vegetables from both suppliers.
This is a part of a wider sustainability initiative at Atlantis The Palm. Can you tell me about that?
So the goal is to have 5 different locally sourced produce and then implemented in all 23 restaurants in the Atlantis The Palm, and by the end of this year.
It's impressive.
So here we have the wasabi leaf, which we're going to add on to the dish. This has got a right kick, which is going to be amazing for this dish.
Looking forward to trying this. Let's get back to the hotel and make a meal of
Let's
it.
get cooking.
So we're back with our fish. What do we do with it?
We're going to take the skin off right now. I've run my hands through it just to make sure there's no bones in there. So what we're going to do, get a really sharp knife. We're going to take that from the end. And then we're just going to pull. So what we've got here is we have beetroot, we have some salt, and then we have a sugar. We're going to basically incorporate them, blitz it into a puree, and then add a bit of apple juice in there to add a bit more flavour to it.
This is just fresh, juiced apple.
Yep, I would always use a green apple as well rather than red, because red's quite sweet.
This is going to create the marinade for the salmon.
Yep, there you go.
Looks good.
It's nice and fresh, and it's going to add some earthy flavours in there as well. Okay, we're ready to marinate.
For the best results, marinate the salmon for 24 hours.
It looks beautiful. I love the colour.
Thank you very much. Okay, now we're going to start on the cucumber jus.
Yes.
So we've got some fresh cucumbers, locally sourced. We've got some garlic, ginger, lime juice, apple juice. This is going to be the dressing for the carpaccio. It's going to add a bit of acid through the dish.
Let's do it.
Because the fish is naturally really, especially salmon, is very creamy sort of fish, quite fatty. So you need that acid just to really balance it out. All right, I believe we're there. So I'm going to retaste on this. Make sure everything is correct.
Is it good?
Yeah, very fresh. All right, so we're going to reserve this, and then we're going to slice up the salmon, and then we're going to get plating up.
To plate our beautiful carpaccio, Chef Raymond adds the cucumber jus with microgreens, including the wasabi leaves from Uns Farm, and garnishes the dish with edible flowers and crunchy fried Arabic bread.
So let's try it.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, it's delicious. And I would definitely order it, particularly knowing that it was local.